Welcome, in front of me is HP ELITEBOOK 847, and in this video I will show you how to keep this laptop from sleeping. To keep your device from sleeping, you have to access the power settings. To do that, right click the battery icon on your status bar and select power and sleep settings. Then go to screen sleep and hibernate timeouts, expand this menu, and now you can change the settings for both plugged in and on battery modes of your laptop. The settings are identical almost, except for the values, but basically you can the methods of changing these settings are exactly the same. So if you want to keep your device from sleeping, you have to change the value next to make my device sleep after, and to keep it from sleeping completely, you have to just scroll the list to the very bottom and select never. This way your device will never go to sleep when it's plugged in, or you can alternatively just select any value from this list. And that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.